Hello everyone and welcome to week 14. Here's your to-do list. First thing is to go back to look at week 13. So let's go back to week 13. Click on the link and it says here to complete your mini lesson plan slides, final copies. You can turn that in when you do have your final copies, and the persuasive group will be teaching theirs on Tuesday. So be ready for those. Also, complete another piece of writing of your own and choose the topic from the back. So again, the persuasive group, be ready on the 23rd. And then for the rest of the group, please read chapter 6 and the video. Also, the group that did the opinion persuasive chapter, watch the video as well. And then turn in a choice of either the visual resource poster or the 3-2-1 format, and there's the submission button. All right, I'll see you later. Bye.